Hi everyone, Janet here, wearing my station master hat for VBS 2020 one more time. Rocky Railway, where Jesus' power pulls us through. We're making a wrap-up video and a slideshow of photos that were submitted of kids enjoying the VBS activities. So I'm here in the church sanctuary, where VBS has been held for many, many years. But this year was different. COVID-19 has changed all our lives in Ontario since March, when everything was shut down to try to contain the virus. This entire sanctuary is usually decorated with creativity and lots of hard work from our summer student. Well, this year, no summer student. And very few of the activities were filmed here at all. We had lots of contributors to VBS Online. Kitchen Ann and Bible Adventures with Elizabeth and Games with Josh were all filmed at their homes. The 5 families who gave us those wonderful dramatic photos for Spotlight Video, they filmed at their homes. And there were USB drives being passed back and forth all summer. Several times we made the trip to Jarvis to film on location. And even though the opening scenes, closing scenes, Cam the train engineer skits, they're all filmed there. Jarvis train station is located at Walpole Farm Machinery property just south of Jarvis. And we made a donation to their Fix the Roof campaign to thank them. After battling wind and some noise issues, we were mostly successful in filming there. Each filming required cue cards, a person to hold the cue cards, and a videographer. And that's why the names listed in the tech crew section of this video are so important. The part that was filmed here in the church was the Kid Vid Cinema and Laura's song actions. So 5 of the youth met here to socially distance and pack 50 boxes for the take-home packages. So Elaine and Emma, Evan, Madison, and Kiara, with help from Pam. And when they were done, they each filmed their segment of Kid Vid Cinema here at the green screen. It was a long evening. The green screen belongs to Stephen Squires, who also did over 39 hours of editing based on his experience with courses in high school and his personal interest in film. Now, because the background is green, Stephen can put any background behind me when he does the editing. For example, I could be in Hawaii, or in the Arctic, or on a boat, or I could be on safari. Isn't that fun? That's how the background changed to a different Rocky Mountain scene for each day of Kid Vid Cinema. One of the reasons that VBS Online turned out so well was Stephen's talent and willingness to edit. And every time the video shows an image or the words "Trust Jesus" flash onto the screen, Stephen has added that in. We had 44 children sign up for the packages of supplies, and this included materials for Imagination Station, which is a specific type of craft, stickers, coloring materials, and all the Bible memory buddies. The buddies could be put on a carabiner and kept as a memory sake. 6 of those packages got mailed as some of our participants were in Cambridge and Brantford and Alberta. And one of them found our church program through an online Google search. That's pretty encouraging. Although the filming is done, VBS week continues on. Like, it's going to be on YouTube for a long time. The videos can be still watched, and we hope that you do. We had lots of adults that watched the shows and still got valuable things from it. So in the meantime, here's the slideshow I promised you of photos submitted by the families themselves. Enjoy.
We trust in you, Jesus. You're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. this journey, there's no looking back. With Jesus to lead us, we're on the right track. Oh, 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 oh. Wide open spaces for wide open eyes. We're looking ahead for the next big surprise. Oh, 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 oh. We trust, we trust, we trust in you, Jesus. You're all, you're all, you're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. You give us hope and life that's forever. You make us whole and we stand together. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. We're off on this journey, there's no looking back. With Jesus to lead us, we're on the right track. Oh, 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 oh. Wide open spaces for wide open eyes. We're looking ahead for the next big surprise. Oh, 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 oh. We trust, we trust, we trust in you, Jesus. You're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, trusting in you. You give us hope and life that's forever. We stand together. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, trusting in you. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, trusting in you, trusting in you. We're trusting in you, trusting in you. We trust, we trust, we trust in you, Jesus. You're all, you're all, you're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. You give us hope and life that's forever. You make us bold and we stand together. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. We're off on this journey, there's no looking back. With Jesus to lead us, we're on the...
Hey, a big thank you to all those that sent in photos. And a thank you to all those adults that adapted their VBS station to be online. You are all part of history. One day we'll be saying to each other, remember that year we had to do VBS online because of the pandemic? Well, thanks for stepping up to the challenge. Here's a thank you for each one of the adult helpers.
We trust in you, Jesus. You're all, you're all, you're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. You give us hope and life that's forever. You make us bold and we stand together. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, we're trusting in you. We're off on this journey, there's no looking back. With Jesus to lead us, we're on the right track. Oh, 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 oh. Wide open spaces for wide open eyes. We're looking ahead for the next big surprise. Oh, 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 oh. We trust, we trust, we trust in you, Jesus. You're all, you're all, you're all that we need. Jesus to lead us, we're on the right track. Oh, 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 oh. Wide open spaces for wide open eyes. We're looking ahead for the next big surprise. Oh, 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 oh. We trust in you, Jesus. You're all that we need. Your power will pull us through. We're trusting in you, trusting in you. You give us hope and life that's forever.
So, although this summer was fun and a really creative project for us, we do hope to see you in person next year. The theme is going to be treasured. Until then, someone mentioned to me that this pandemic year is not your whole story. This is just a chapter. And it's not just kids that need to know that Jesus' power will pull us through. Take care, everybody.